Welcome to the installation video of the ARIES VersaTrac brackets on the 2016 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab. This video will cover the steps needed for attaching the VersaTrac brackets only. To find compatible running boards, visit our website at ariesautomotive.com. To begin, locate the 3 bracket mounting locations underneath the vehicle. Separate the brackets, identifying which are the front brackets versus the middle and rear brackets. Starting on the driver's side front, locate and remove the 2-hole plugs with a flathead screwdriver. Place the driver's side front bracket onto the vehicle and secure it in place using 2 silver M8 hex bolts with locking and flat washers. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten at this time. Repeat this on the remaining brackets. Finish the installation by attaching the brackets on the passenger side. This completes the installation of the ARIES VersaTrac brackets on the 2016 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab. Finish the installation by attaching any compatible VersaTrac running boards to give your vehicle a one-of-a-kind look.